is gone. Another night, another day is done. I'd be the last one to deny that it's so hard to be alone. I came across a gentle melody. Love allowed it, so I let it be. Why'd it take so many seasons? Now I found a reason to live for. This is ours. This love from the stars. We are songs I haven't figured out. The one of ours I think I know by now. We go on and on and on. With the flow we go along. Yeah. This is ours. This love from the stars. We are above.
My eldest daughter, Jen, who was not able to make it today, but hopefully we will see her family tomorrow. Thank you all so much.
So can't you see? I love one. What can I tell you about? So can't you see? You'd think that people would have had enough of silly love songs, but I look around me and I see it isn't so. Some people wanna fill the world with silly love songs. What's wrong with that? I'd like to know. 'Cause here I go again. I love you. I love you. Can't you see? She gave me more, she gave it all to me. Now can't you see? Love doesn't come in a minute. Sometimes it doesn't come at all. I only know that when I'm in it, it isn't silly. No, it isn't silly. Love isn't silly at all.
She's a perfect mother. Why? Hindi naman tayo ganun kagara na buhay, pero marami po siyang nabigay na regalo sa amin na sa paglalaki namin. Pure of heart, kindness. Kung iman nila nabigay yung mga nakikita natin ngayon na magagarang buhay, masaya pa rin kami magkakapatid dahil yung pagmamahal na sa amin na natuturo namin sa mga anak namin na hindi importante yung material na bagay. Importante yung pamilya. Siya po kasi yung naunguna sa amin sa Panginoon na dapat malinis dapat ang hangarin niya sa bawat tao, sa bukal ng puso.
My wish came true. Thank you all so much. You really made my day. I'm so happy.